come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as me wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. I'm bringing y'all a baked beans video. You know I gotta stay true to the beans, the baked beans, the breadwinner, the one with a crazy contract balance. Although they make it seem like it's going down so much. I'm gonna talk a little bit about baked beans and all these other things. But first, before I even get into that, let me do this. Damn, I'll be watching all types of stuff on YouTube. Go over to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Remember, I'm changing my name to Notification Bell NASA, because I bring that content. So hit that like button. Okay, so now with the baked beans, the contract balance is at 7,828 BNB right now. People, can you believe that? And they're like, oh, it's dead, it's still high as hell. Let's go over here to BSC scan. You can see the contract balance is 2.36 $2,365,000 US dollars. It's in the BNB. So 7,800 BNB equals 2,365,000 US. Okay, that's what's in the contract. You look right here, you still see a whole bunch of hatches, sales. So a lot of people still rebaking, healthy rebate. Look at all of that. And I told y'all in my last video that I'm gonna try to go like 2 weeks without claiming, or even longer than that, because I wanted to bring my my daily percentage back up a little bit. Baked beans have done a lot for people like me. Okay, it helped me out with investing in other projects and a whole lot of other things around my house with my family and everything. So I'm forever grateful to the baked beans family. I mean, Crypto Kratos, you know what I mean? Mr. FOMO, everybody that's involved, Juice and all those people. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to rebake. Let's do a live rebake, people. Tell you, I've been rebaking off camera for about what was my last video? A week ago, 2 weeks? I don't know. But I think this might be the longest I went without eating beans. If y'all hear my son in the background making noise, he's just excited about baked beans, just like his daddy. We all excited about the baked beans. Okay. I know I've been missing for a while. It's been my birthday. Man, a lot of people fudding about baked beans. It's about to die out. Because actually, I was on moonarch.app the other day, and baked beans, I'm not sure if anybody knows what this EVOL TVL stands for. I know what TVL stands for total value lock, but what does the EVL mean? Is that like the daily percentage of how the contract balance is going up or down? But actually, the other day, I believe a couple days ago, when baked beans hit 200 days, right now it's 202. It looked like it came to a stop. It was at like 0.02% down. I was like, whoa, does that mean that nobody withdrew that day? Or does it mean like everybody just compounded or did deposits? But I like that. As you could tell, the numbers are actually down. As far as the down percentage is not as low as it was like a month ago when we first started seeing that decline in baked beans. So I think it's reaching that level. Those people that have been claiming a crazy amount, they're starting not to get any money anymore. So they're exiting, they're taking their way out. And the ones that staying true to the project is here, still rebaking, still doing a damn thing. Now we all know there's a lot of different things going on, because right now it's basically rebate season. But when it comes to miners, you can't deny baked beans is the boss. I don't want to hear about these other miners. Like, oh my God, I'm getting so I don't know. Some of them that come with innovative things, it catch my attention. But the baked beans, you just can't sleep on the beans. I tried to do it before. A lot of people just slept on the beans, and look what happened. Sometimes these things take a little while to take off, because baked beans had like, I believe like after 4 months, and then it started taking off. So it's always good to see. Oh my God, people, I hit 1 billion beans. Is that a billion? Who could say that number for me? Let me see. 1 billion, 1, 2, 3. That's a 81 million. 1, 2, 3. 959,000. 1,081,959,950 beans. Uzziah! When you hear your daddy yelling, so you want to yell too? Say, baked beans. Beans. Ah, he can't talk yet. He can't talk yet, but I'm excited. I finally had 1 billion beans. Let's go. I know it's not worth as much as it did a few months ago, but it will get back there. Oh my goodness. Can you? Shh. Okay. All right. So shout out to the Baked Beans family. I'm going to have links down below if you guys want to get started. Remember, like this video because your boy bring that content. You know what I mean? I'm going to keep this one nice, short, and sweet because I realize I've been making videos like 20 minutes long. I'm going to stop that. Nice, short, and sweet. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Uzziah. Baked beans, baked beans, baby, baked beans. Nah, but I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This stuff is time sensitive. Hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you are already subscribed, thank you. Thank you. All right.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.